We just purchased this tabletop Burnout Kiln from PMC Supplies. The first firing is important for the kiln's lifetime. We wanted to share how it looked like before and after firing for the first time. This is how the inside of the kiln looked before the firing, and let's get started. Switch on and you hear the fan starting. I followed along a detailed tutorial made by PMC Supplies on YouTube to program the burnout cycle. The YouTube video was very thorough about each step, and I have put the link in the description. As the burnout cycle began, you see the temperature rising and some white smoke coming out. According to the tutorial and a manual from PMC Supplies, we should expect smoke, but it still made me a little nervous. The smell became strong quickly, even though I had my ventilation system on. I had to leave the room and come back in an hour. Now the first firing is finished. Let's see how the inside looks. The chamber looks pretty burnt right now, but it is supposed to be white again after a few more uses.